Hello there, this is Brisky here. Did you know that Birbal solved mysteries while he served in Akbar's court by thinking critically? Let us look at an interesting story. Welcome to the great Mughal king Akbar's court. Akbar was a wise and powerful emperor. He ruled India a long time ago. Akbar had 9 gems in his court. They were brilliant people with amazing talents. They were called Navratnas. Birbal was one of the Navratnas. He was respected for his intelligence and wit. Whenever there was a difficult situation, Akbar asked Birbal for advice. You will now listen to an incident in Akbar's palace. Listen carefully to the dialogues and answer the questions that come along. Akbar loved jewelry and precious stones. He had a favorite ring, a large diamond with pearls set around it. He wanted to wear it, but it was missing.
My ring! It's gone! Guards, come here immediately! What happened, O Emperor? My favorite ring is missing. The one with the big diamond and pearls around it. I had kept it out to wear today. Now it's gone. Summon all the servants at once. Call Birbal. Yes, Emperor. All servants come to Emperor's room immediately. Go and request Birbal to come to Emperor's room immediately.
Can you try and predict who could have stolen the ring? You can check as the story progresses and the mystery is solved. All the servants have come to the emperor's room. Birbal has arrived too.
Birbal, my favorite ring is missing. Please help me find it. Please calm down, Emperor. We will find it. Don't worry. First tell me, is anything else missing? No, but I found a knife in the room that is not mine. The one we gave the 8 royal servants some time back. Remember? And no one else is allowed to enter my room other than them. There's our first clue. So it has to be one of the 8 royal servants then. All of you show me your royal knives. But all of them have their knives with them. How is that possible? Who is the thief then?
How do you think Birbal can catch the thief now? Any ideas?
It has to be one of them, Emperor. That means the thief has bought a new knife to cover up his theft. Let's see what we can do now. Okay, guards, bring me 8 sticks, all of equal length, quickly. Here, each of you take 1 stick. Bring it back tomorrow. Take good care of them. They are magical. The stick belonging to the thief will grow by an inch. All of you must be here by 8 in the morning. We will then catch the thief. Emperor, forgive me. I stole your ring. Lakhan Singh, you! Birbal, how did he confess? I did not even ask anyone yet.
Can you think of how Birbal's plan helped catch the thief?
Emperor, it's very simple. I knew it had to be one of your royal servants because of the knife found in your room. I was not sure which one. So I decided to play a trick to catch the thief. Remember that we gave the royal servants a stick each. I told them that the stick belonging to the thief would grow longer by an inch. The thief, fearing that it would grow and that he would get caught, cut his stick, so his stick was shorter than the others. That is how I knew. Brilliant! That's very clever, Birbal. I knew you would catch the thief. Thank you, O Emperor. I am happy you found your favorite ring.
Do you like solving mysteries like Birbal? Listen to this little puzzle and try your hand at solving it. A valuable watch once went missing from a rich man's house. He had left it on a table by a window before bedtime. He found the window broken and the watch gone the next morning. The only other person in the house was the housekeeper. The owner called the police and told them that a thief had broken into his house and stolen his expensive watch. A detective came to inspect the scene of the theft. When he searched the ground outside the broken window, he found pieces of glass lying there. There were no glass pieces inside the house. It was the housekeeper, he concluded. The housekeeper took the watch. How did he figure that out? If a thief had broken the window from outside, the glass pieces would have fallen inside the house and not outside on the ground. Therefore, he concluded that the housekeeper must have taken the watch and broken the window from inside to make it look like a thief had entered. Did you crack the case? Good work! So the next time you come across what looks like a mystery, remember, there's usually a simple solution. You just need to think logically and analyze all the angles.